Ever wondered how to navigate the labyrinth of the stock market? How does one even begin to decode the jargon, the numbers, and the trends? Well, fear not. Today we're going to break down the process of getting started in the stock market into bite-sized, easy-to-understand steps. First off, arm yourself with knowledge. Grasp the basics of how the stock market operates. Familiarize yourself with terms such as stocks, bonds, indices, and dividends. Countless online resources, courses, and books are at your disposal, ready to help you on this journey. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to set your goals. Are you investing for retirement, looking to buy a house, or aiming for wealth accumulation? Knowing your objectives will help you determine your risk tolerance, a crucial factor in investing. Next up, open a brokerage account. Choose a platform that caters to your needs and provides a user-friendly interface, especially if you're a beginner. Many of these platforms offer educational resources to help you understand the market better. Now, you're ready to dip your toes in the water. Start small, with money you can afford to lose. Why not consider investing in index funds or ETFs? These provide diversification across a broad range of stocks and can be a safer bet for beginners. Speaking of diversification, remember the old adage: don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors or industries to minimize risk. Investing all your money into one stock is a gamble you don't want to take. You've started investing, great, but the journey doesn't end there. Stay informed, keep up with financial news, market trends, and the performance of the companies you've invested in. Knowledge is power, after all. Lastly, remember to have a long-term perspective. The stock market is much like a roller coaster ride, filled with ups and downs. Try not to get swayed by short-term fluctuations. Patience is key. To wrap up, the stock market is a complex system, but not an indecipherable one. With the right knowledge, clear goals, a diversified portfolio, and a long-term perspective, you're well on your way to becoming a savvy investor. Remember, every investment comes with a risk, so do your research and consider seeking advice from financial professionals before making any decisions. Investing is a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. Take that step today.